gentlemen, announcing the arrival of no other person than the very man, the Ido himself, Dr. Babajide Oluwatobi Akoni Adio.
See us we day like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. I will never ever. I dedicate my time to you. I die. Even if the road is rough, I know mine. Believe me. It got to you. I need you. I need you.
Are you under any pressure to marry Tosin? Meaning you are doing this out of your free will, promising to love her with the whole of your heart, with the whole of your substance. Do I get a yes or yes to that? So it's okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oluwatosin will release into the hands of the Lord. Go and prosper. Tosin, go and increase. Go and enlarge. Go and be a blessing to your world. So go and be a mother to many beautiful children. Daddy, mommy, aye ni mo fún yín kò ní dòkú. Ayé ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹni bí sọ̀kò bànújẹ́ sáwọn òbí ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń gba Tosin wọlé Babájídé yín ò ní dòkú. Ọmọ aráyé ò ní fìkan gbà kan lọ́wọ́ yín. Jésù Kristi, Olúwa wa. Now crown him your head. Crown him your pastor, your prophet, your priest, your bishop. Crown him the father of all of your children. Call her your Deborah, your Esther. Call her your virtuous woman. Call her the commissioner for your home affairs. Call her the mother of all of your children. Call him your husband for life.
Shake it, baby, shake it.